Should you use thumbnails for YouTube Shorts? The answer to that question is yes, and I'll show you why. Here's my YouTube channel, and I'll scroll down to a section called Shorts. As you can see, this section does not have any thumbnails, and I'll show you how to get around this. Instead, I use playlists. This playlist is a Minecraft playlist that I created. Most of these videos are YouTube Shorts. And you can see that these YouTube Shorts have thumbnails that I created for each video. Some videos don't have thumbnails. As you can see, they're not as attractive as the other thumbnails, so I need to create them later. But yeah, it's better to use thumbnails on YouTube Shorts, and you can display them if you use playlists. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.